Hi, I'm Kayla, and I'm an experience design intern on the intelligence services team. Here's my agenda for this presentation, and I'll be talking about my summer project, which was to help the team identify pain points or gaps in the services by mapping an end-to-end user flow and exploring ways to make the products more self-service. Experience Cloud oversees designing and selling products that help businesses optimize their customers' digital experiences. It's divided into 4 categories that umbrella different applications. The AI ML service includes intelligence services, which embeds intelligence within the Experience Cloud applications, or can be purchased standalone. So what do intelligence services do specifically? They use artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to help marketing analysts leverage the large amounts of customer data their company owns and create insights that will enhance their customers' unique experiences. Last year at Summit, Attribution AI and Customer AI were released, empowering marketers to leverage the machine learning models to solve common business problems. They were sold with a consultant package to help with the data preparation and ingestion process. This summer, I explored how to make this more self-service. I spent a lot of time researching before I began mapping out a foundational end-to-end flow of Attribution AI, a service that helps marketers measure and optimize marketing spend by understanding the impact of every individual customer interaction across each phase of their journey. The end-to-end flow is outlined in Mira and would allow people to not only see the context of Attribution AI, but to identify where pain points are occurring for them and write out what those pain points are. If I were an engineering consultant for Attribution AI, and I noticed that new customers consistently struggle with mapping their data on their own, and I was having to spend a lot of time doing it for them, I could document that pain point in the data ingestion phase under data collection and prep. This is everyone I interviewed internally during my research. I partnered with my mentor Rebecca while conducting interviews to help me develop a better understanding of the problem space. Our initial interviews were with the PMs of the services, Bonnie, Kim, and Pat, who provided insight into the products based on their own current discussions with customers in context of how they utilize consultants. Our interviews with Josen and Anand were key in providing engineering's perspective on flow details. They shed light on specific issues customers face when it comes to data preparation and how Adobe Experience Platform ties into the intelligence services setup. Our meeting with Sai showed us real customer data and helped us to design for scale. And our meeting with David highlighted how consultants hope to go beyond helping with the steps of setting up the data and want to focus on informing customers what the services are solving. After mapping the user flow, I prototyped a first-time user experience, or FTUX, as one method to explore what making the products more self-service could look like. An FTUX helps people onboarding to a new platform understand where they are in the UI, what they can do there, and where to go next, which would help the user gain confidence in their own abilities to use the service. Now let's imagine that I'm a marketing analyst whose company has recently purchased Attribution AI, and it's my job to utilize it for a new marketing campaign. I have a brief understanding of what the service can do, but I'm not sure where to start. By navigating through the buckets on the Overview tab, I begin to understand where to go to take my next steps. Now I want to learn more about what I can do with Attribution AI. Seeing as I'm new to this service, I'm going to begin in the Getting Started category. Here, I can monitor which items I've viewed and move through other learning categories at my own pace. Once I understand what I need to do to get started, I can navigate from learning back to the main services page and open Attribution AI. Moving forward, the end-to-end flow should serve as an onboarding resource for any others joining the intelligence services design effort and will need to be kept updated. The research and FTUX explorations from this summer can be used to build a business case to head towards having a more self-service onboarding process for intelligence services. A pathway would need to be developed to gather feedback and iterate over time. And as new services or functionalities emerge in intelligence services, there will be a general framework for educating first-time users. This internship taught me how much value and reward there is in the process of learning something completely new. I felt so out of my depths in this problem space at the beginning of the summer, and the reward for navigating it throughout these last 12 weeks has been so great. I want to give a special thanks to my awesome team, especially my manager Jordan, my teacher Alex, and my mentor Rebecca. Thank you for listening, and I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback.